there.
Twice at 1021. Adam Robert Frank, 99 Edward of Black, Chrysler 200, westbound at scale. We're still rolling.
Yes.
Go ahead, Forrest, taking off.
Thank you for your line. Okay, I'll call it. Forward says we're 1037.
1047.
Speed 83. Let the DPS truck in front of you just so you know.
10-4, you got one passenger.
Spikes.
Somebody got spikes?
Taking 540 south. Y'all let me get up there, I got a dog.
540 southbound. What are your keys?
9710, get some spikes set up somewhere. Okay, bad, I'll call it. North Swift on secondary. 75, coming around the curve, coming up on Cloverleaf. He's throwing stuff out.
Yeah, he just threw a white baggie.
2A, got heavy traffic.
2A, heavy traffic.
I see that dope flying out. Hey, y'all get off the radio where I can talk. We're passing the Cloverleaf. H4, if you let me up there, I'll pit him out.
You want to wait on spikes?
Call everybody south of us trying to pit him. Speed 111. Speed 111, past the 1, coming up to exit 3.
That's for 1A, speed 111.
We're trying to pit him now. Hey, y'all be aware if he pits him, it's going to be shut down pretty quick, so just be mindful of that. Speed 106, we're coming up to 3 now. Ken, if you're up there, get some spikes. Somebody in post 1, get spikes set up. I'm behind you, I was up to 0. We're coming up to exit 3 right now. Exit 3. Speed 99. Passing in the median.
He may lose him there.
Speed to 100. Enforcement coming up 29, trying to get it at the medium.
10-4.
Yeah, we got a little bit of heavy traffic up here. Trying to get these boxes in a little bit. Stay down, fit him out. Last lane, 10. 17, hold the traffic back there, hold the traffic back there. TVI, 45.
TVI.
Hands up, motherfucker! One step out! One step out now!
not? You want him in? You put her on the right side?
Cloverleaf.
4 bridge. Going southbound 25.